back up that he's lying and to stay the hell out of my life.
Because you want to be back with
I don't know why you playing.
He does not like the idea, and he's brainwashing my boyfriend. And I don't like
You're funny.
Are you excited about Daytona?
Very. I'm very excited.
Why?
Because I get to go to the beach, see my girl look hot, have everybody else look at my girl, you know what I'm saying, and then get to enjoy it. You don't have to worry about work for a couple of days, be around our families, we can fucking actually act like adults. You know what I'm saying? And feel good about ourselves, shit.
And
Really.
you're gonna look good,
I haven't took a vacation in a minute. I haven't done nothing like this in a minute. You know how many people asked me to go to Myrtle Beach bike weekend? I ain't been to the beach since I was damn 13. It's time for me to start getting crunk now. Like my mom say, when she was younger, she had all nothing but fun. She won't worry about no babies yet. You know what I'm saying? Shit, you better ride this till the wheels fall off. For real. You don't know when you ain't gonna wake up. You know what I'm saying? That's why I keep telling Dre, man. I'm like, man, you don't never know, nigga, when you don't ever see a beach again, man. You need to damn go. You know what I'm saying? Why it's good. You know what I'm saying? You don't even gotta pay for a room. You can stay with us, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Somebody else about to come take your spot just like that. You know what I'm saying? Easily. All you had to have is $300, nigga. Gas to get down there and to eat. That's what all you need. Yeah, you know. Sure, you're gonna be bad because I'm gonna be buying some shit. That's what I'm saving right now. I'm buying me some outfits when I go in the mall. Fuck.